Hey cookies! Today I'm going to show you how I make my version of a Monte Cristo sandwich. Let's do it. The meat I'm going to be using is some delicious Cajun turkey breasts that I got from the deli, and I get them to cut it as thin as possible. And for cheese, we're going to use some smoked Gouda. I like to use thick artisan white bread. It's perfect for these sandwiches, and we're going to need 3 slices per sandwich. I'm going to start by spreading some mayo on the bread, as much or as little as you'd like. And yes, black people do like mayo. Some of us do. And you're going to need some type of grainy mustard. I'm using Creole mustard, but Dijon will work as well. Now add on the meat and cheese. I use 2 slices of each per each side of the bread. For the middle slice of bread, I am going to cut off the edges. Is that what you call it? I don't know. Y'all know the little brown stuff around. Why am I using a butter knife? The struggle is real. Yeah, but anyway, once we cut that off, we're going to spread mayo on both sides of that bread. Very thinly. We don't need that much. Now cover it with the other side. And now, as my late great Uncle Levi would say, we got to mash that sandwich together. Just take your hand and mash it together. Time to make our egg mix. So crack an egg in a bowl. Well, 2 eggs. Where's the other one? There it is. Okay, y'all, trust me, right? Add a little bit of cinnamon. I'm telling you. Just do it. And then, y'all still trusting me? Okay, we got to add a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's going to be so good. And lastly, we need a little splash of milk. Some whole milk, okay? And then you whisk it all together really well, and it's going to look a hot mess like that. Then run over to the stove and melt some butter on low heat in a pan. Then run back to your little ugly mix and dip your sandwich on both sides. Now run back over to the stove and add it to the pan and fry it like a grilled cheese. Keep the heat low so that it melts the cheese while it's cooking. And flip it over. I like heat it like 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once both sides are browned, you got to hit those edges, just a few seconds on each side to get your edges. Lay your edges. I always tell y'all that. Slice that baby in half, not because you want to share, just so you can look at the inside, because we don't share this. Now y'all, this is not the cutest sandwich, but I promise you it tastes so dang good. Okay, we got to do something else. I won't tell y'all this part is optional because I really want you to do it. Sprinkle that powdered sugar on top. Yes, Lord. And cookies, that's it for my version of a Monte Cristo. The recipe will be down there in the description box. You can serve it with strawberry jam if you like. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. Until next time, be blessed.